This is a brief overview of how you can get Apache Airflow running on top of AWS with CNDI. For a full walkthrough of the entire process, check out the link in the description. So, step one is you have to install CNDI. You can type cndi.run into your URL bar and it'll take you directly to our GitHub repo. Just copy the command from the top of the README and paste it and run it in your terminal. Step two is to create a repo on GitHub for your cluster. Then just clone down the repo and CD into it. Step three is to initialize your CNDI project with the cndi init --interactive command. Pick the template you want, and in this case, it's going to be the EC2 Airflow template. Then fill out the interactive command line, which is going to ask you for things like your GitHub username and password, some AWS information, and the URL to your DAG repo. This is going to generate all your project files, and in the next step, step four, is to push the repo back to GitHub, which will trigger some automation and start your deployment. The last thing you have to do is update your DNS records and wait for your deployment to complete. And here is Airflow running on your domain. CNDI also lets you take control of day two operations, which is the key to maintaining and optimizing your software and infrastructure stack over time. Again, this was a very brief overview, but if you want a more in-depth walkthrough that you can follow along, check the link in the description. Have a good day.